Hi Espers! Before we touch our event for today, quick points muna tayo from our 2 previous videos. I believe naging too harsh ako sa pagre-rate ko dito sa summer board, and I would like to turn it from a 4 out of 10 to a 6 out of 10 for the final verdict. I think many of you Espers enjoyed the discounted rate for the legendary skin and the value of the free items that you got with it. Sa mga nakaswerte para makuha si Earth Dowsy, I might not share the same sentiment as you Espers, pero congratulations! Next naman would be the Prestige Crates. In their post sa may lol.garena.ph, may nakalagay na round 1, kaya naman nag-e-expect tayo for round 2. Hopefully, it will include the skins na wala pa ako, as I want to test out my theory that after pulling for 10 in one go, is makakakuha tayo ng guaranteed prestige skin. Maganda rin yung reception ng event na to, kaya naman sana maraming pinalad. Fortunately, Espers, mukhang wala tayong gastos for today. Ang magiging gastos lang natin for the next few days would be time. So before we go from left to right sa event na to, yung mga ganitong gestures ng Garena to give us free rewards, sana na-appreciate natin sila. Huwag sana tayo puro reklamo as they still try and engage sa player base kahit alam naman natin most of the gamers today ay nasa mobile na. So Astrologs has 3 portions. Unahin na natin tong Victory Fuel. And when you get any win sa mga game modes as indicated here sa may taas, you will get points. Ang maximum niyan is 50. And the total rewards would be 150 times project tokens, isang Project 2021 orb, genetic bag, and then random epic skin. Simple lang naman, di ba? You just have to win. Di ba? So sa mga ganitong klase ng events, I recommend for you Espers to squad up and team up with other players. What would be a better way to do that than joining our Discord server? Link is in the description box down below. Ayos, di ba? Next would be itong daily login or check-in. And ang sabi lang dito sa may info tab, login everyday from 15th ngayon hanggang June 28 for awesome freebies. And ayun nga, I'm sure naman pwede siyang ipunin. Like, biloksan mo yung client mo ng 6:15 today, pero hindi mo click yung check-in. Pero I would recommend, pagka-login nyo, punta na kagad kayo dito and click check-in. Baka magka-error pa yan. And kung nakamiss kayo ng isang araw, you have the option to retro login for 99 RP. Medyo mahal. Total rewards would be 250 times project tokens, malaman-laman yon. 2 Project 2021 orb, random epic skin ulit, and then genetic bag. Lastly, eto na. Win streak fuel na naman, Espers. What I mean by that is you have to win an X amount of games to win the rewards. So eligible game modes would be ARAM, Nexus Blitz, and Summoner's Rift, normal or ranked yan. Makakita naman kayo ng mga tryhard sa games ninyo. Syempre, try your best as well. So expand natin to. And as you can see, ang pinaka-top na reward would be a random legendary skin. You just have to win 6 times. Consecutive dapat yan. And it's up to you really where you want to spend your games. I see in my Discord server gusto nila ginagawa to sa may ranked para competitive talaga. Or ARAM or Nexus Blitz para naman fun lang. Personally think that Nexus Blitz would be the better option sa mga to pagdating sa game mode since fixed yung game time nito. First, nakikita mo na yung first event kaagad-agad, and if you are a pre-made team, just be sure to have all roles and damage types in your team. Pero syempre, easier said than done yan, di ba? So simula pa lang ngayon, pagkanood nyo ng video ko, hanap na kagad kayo ng makakalaro mamaya. Unfortunately, hindi pa ako maka-check-in kasi may ganitong error right here, pero we'll try to log in again later. If you want to team up with players, punta lang kayo sa my Team Up text channel sa my Discord server ko. And malay mo, we can collaborate while we are on stream. To be honest, wala akong marereklamo with this event for sure, kasi for one, we are working or studying from home as of the moment, and these are all free rewards. Ang sabi ko nga kanina, all you have to do is spend time. Huwag rin sana kayo agad-agad mag-rant na bakit hindi pa na-update yung fuels ko, and please wait patiently for approximately 15 to 30 minutes after your matches. And the event page will be accessible until the 30th of June sa redemption of rewards, so be sure to get all the rewards available for you before that date. So yun lang, all of the links that I've mentioned are all in the description box down below, and if ever I have any updates, ilalagay ko na lang sa my pinned comment rin sa baba. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe as every Tuesday and Friday naglalabas tayo ng content related to LOL and sa mga budol or kupit or sulit na events nila. Pero this time around, I will give it to you, Garena. You did a great job. Ito yung monthly event natin for the month of June. So I'll see you on Friday, Espers, and take care.